Why are transformers an essential part of the national grid electricity system? We've got some keywords to help us explain the role of transformers in the national grid system, so let's dive in. We could say, and I'll put this into bullet points, first of all, that step-up transformers are used to increase the voltage and when you increase the voltage you will reduce the current and decrease the current. For distributing electricity. Over long distances. You see, it's the current which causes heating in the wires. So if we could step up the voltage and the current will be decreased as a result, then we would have less current in the cables and therefore less heating and energy loss over long distances. Okay. So we can then say this reduces the energy losses due to heating in the cables and so makes the national grid more efficient. We don't waste as much energy as we would otherwise do. And finally, we just need to explain the role of a step-down transformer and a step-down transformers at local substations at towns and villages and cities reduce the high voltage that was on the transmission lines, the high voltage, to safe levels for use in industry. Now in industry it's about typically 430 volts, and in homes, and that is 230 volts, sometimes called mains voltage. And you have to remember 230 volts is used in mains voltage in domestic electricity. So there we are. Those are 3 bullet points to explain the roles of transformers using the keywords on this page.